Assalamu alaikum, Islam tubers. How well do you know your deen? Can you answer them all? Let's begin. What is the meaning of the word Qur'an? B. The recitation. How many Jews is the Qur'an divided into? A. 30. Which surah is the shortest in the Qur'an? A. Al-Kawthar. Which surah is known as the heart of the Qur'an? B. Yasin. How many surahs are there in the Qur'an? B. 114. Which surah was revealed completely at once? C. Al-An'am. Which surah is known as the mother of the book? B. Al-Fatiha. Which surah is about the Day of Judgment? A. Al-Qiyamah. Which surah is named after mankind? A. An-Nas. Which surah is named after the dawn? D. Al-Fajr. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's continue with the quiz. Which surah is named after a cave? A. Al-Kahf. Which surah is named after an elephant? A. Al-Fil. Which surah is named after the moon? D. Al-Qamar. Which surah is named after the sun? C. Ash-Shams. Which surah is named after sincerity? A. Al-Ikhlas. Which surah is named after the city of Makkah? C. Al-Balad. Which surah is named after power or decree? B. Al-Qadr. Which surah is named after a bee? D. An-Nahl. Which surah is named after a spider? A. Al-Ankabut. Which surah is named after Friday? C. Al-Jumu'ah. How many did you get? Let us know your score in the comments below. Subscribe for more Islamic content to make your Islamic learning experience fun and rewarding. Assalamu alaikum.